My name is Tony Harris, and I teach 8th grade math at Muller Road Middle in Richland School District 2 in Columbia, South Carolina. Students in my classroom start their lessons each day with affirmations that we read aloud together to get them into the right mindset for positively impacting their learning. I can learn from others. I can exercise my mind. I can keep going when things are tough. This is then followed by a procedure for the students submitting their assignments/classwork in a basket around the classroom. This helps to build independence and responsibility in order to begin taking ownership of their work and materials. Students also are given dedicated time each day updating their agendas with important upcoming dates for assignments. This life skill is built early on in middle school that will follow students throughout their schooling and well into careers. Becoming an organized person is a process that begins by learning skills and creating systems for managing materials. Oftentimes, educators become frustrated by lost assignments. For students, creating an organizational system begins to eliminate these frustrations. Developing long-term organizational routines translates to college and career readiness. When students are taught explicit tools for organizing materials, they feel supported and are provided accountability for routinely using these systems, refining them, and adapting to any organizational task. Within our instructional model in Richland 2, this core strategy can work successfully to build engagement, or for guided practice, and independent practice. Organizing materials creates a classroom environment that cultivates responsibility and independence and encourages students to be fully prepared in order to focus on the task or any activity at hand. Doing so ensures students not lose their assignments, are able to turn these in, and continue their success in and out of the classroom for years to come.